Every morning, the sun rises over Nigeria, long before the traffic begins, before markets open, before offices fill with people. Its light quietly spreads across our cities. For generations, we look to the sun simply as daylight. Today, we are learning to see it differently, as possibility, as power, as hope. At first glance, these rooftops look ordinary, but look a little closer. Scattered across warehouses, shopping complexes, office buildings, schools, churches, and homes, a quiet transformation is unfolding. No single building announces it, yet together they tell a remarkable story. Solar panels are slowly weaving themselves into Nigeria's skyline, one rooftop at a time. Cities often reveal their stories from above. Every rooftop reflects a decision, a choice to adapt, to invest, to create certainty where uncertainty once existed. This is more than an energy transition. It is another chapter in the Nigerian story. When challenges arise, our people rarely stand still. We build, we improvise, we innovate. Again and again, ordinary Nigerians find extraordinary ways to move forward. The growing presence of solar across our cities is one more expression of that resilience. What is happening today has largely been driven by individuals, families, businesses, and entrepreneurs. Imagine what could be possible if this momentum were matched by stronger government support. Policies that make solar systems more affordable, financing that allows more families to participate, investment in local manufacturing, training for a new generation of technicians, smarter urban planning. The foundations already exist. The movement has already begun. It simply needs the opportunity to grow. From above, these rooftops become more than buildings. They become symbols. Symbols of resilience, of adaptation, of people choosing solutions instead of surrendering to limitations. Every solar panel catches the same sunlight. Together, they illuminate something even greater. A nation quietly shaping its own future. One rooftop, one community, one sunrise at a time. And yet again, Nigeria no dey carry last.